It is such a pleasure and honor for me to make this recording. Although I feel ashamed that I can't sign in this video, that I have to ask someone like Christopher to translate this into sign language. In the translation department of the United Bible Societies, anyone who will supervise a sign language project has to go through a 6-week training process. I belong to the first batch who has completed this training 2 years ago. When the course started, we all knew that we don't know much about sign language. At the end of the project, we realized how much we don't know, or the depth of our ignorance. I have been a translation consultant for almost 20 years and have helped in about 15 language translation projects. Your language, the deaf language in Sri Lanka, is not just one of the many languages, but it represents a uniqueness of you. Your language, your culture, your way of thinking, your identity, and your confession. Because I know that for some signs, Protestants and Catholics may sign differently. This language is so different from any of the 15 languages I have supervised because it is your language. It is a unique language. As I often say, what makes Bible translation difficult is not the biblical languages, Hebrew or Greek, but human problems. In order to move forward a translation project, every team member has to learn when and what to compromise. Compromise does not mean we have to give up all your thoughts or opinions. Compromise means that you have to put your opinions on the scale. Not everything are matters of life or death. On the contrary, many things are really not so important. If you do not know how to compromise, you can only work with yourself. I realize how inadequate it is for a hearing person like me to come to help you. I really wish that there is a deaf translation consultant among you who can come to guide you. Before there is such a person available among us, I surely hope that you could help me to help you. If we work together, by God's grace, we can produce a translation that can help many deaf people in this country to come to know Christ and to grow in Christ. Last but not least, I would like to thank the leadership and staff of the Ceylon Bible Society for their support to this project. Supporting a deaf language project is far more expensive than supporting a hearing language project. Yet, the Ceylon Bible Society is always ready to help. We thank God for having this project under such a Bible Society who has such a strong vision for the deaf people in the country. Thank you.